Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Super Simple Saturday. So today we're going to be making a monster cake and we're going to do that using a store-bought bundt cake. So it doesn't get any simpler than that. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, and Halloween, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below. You'll find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, so yeah, I'm kind of cheating today. So I think we're doing this just because I needed an excuse to buy this at the store the other day. And then I brought it home and Draven's been wanting to eat it for 2 days. And I said, you can't, it's for my video. I said, after I video, then you can have a piece. So Draven's dying to get into this. And this already has a little bit of icing on it. So you can do this with any type of bundt cake. This was just about all they had that didn't have piles of icing on top. So this is what I got, was a chocolate, triple chocolate, I think. And there we go. Set this over here. Wipe my hands off. And so you can use any kind that you want. And then we're just going to take some icing. So some store-bought icing here. And we want to put this in the microwave for maybe 30 seconds. We want it to be able to pour, but we don't want it really, really thin. So just about 30 seconds. Keep an eye on it. Okay, that was right at 30 seconds. So let's see. That looks pretty good, I think. Might need a few more seconds. Well, the next thing we're going to do is add some food coloring. So you can do this in any color you want. I think the best colors for the monsters are either the purple or the green. So a few drops of purple is what I'm going to do. So I think this needs more food coloring. I think it needs to be a really pretty purple. In fact, I'm just going to dump a lot in here. There we go. I love purple. That looks black. Ooh, it's kind of pretty with like the marble look. All right, I think that is pretty close to the color that I want it to be. So, a couple of tips, one of which I forgot to do a while ago. So, to keep your cakes nice and clean whenever you ice them, is to take a little bit of parchment paper and just stick it under each side of the cake to catch those spills. But you want to make sure that you cut these, into pieces like this so you can just pull them out from each side and you're not trying to slide the whole piece of parchment paper out from under a cake. And then another tip is, and I think I told you guys this tip on a video and it didn't work the way it was supposed to because I didn't do it the way you're supposed to, is if you really want to get those really nice pretty drips where they kind of stop and it's just not really thin and running all over the plate and, one thing is make sure that your icing is at the consistency it needs to be, but more importantly is to freeze your cake. So this has been in the freezer for a couple days now since I bought it. So hopefully, and I think we may have to, I don't know, let's see. I'm afraid to start because once I start them, yeah, we might need this. I think we need this a little bit thinner. But see how it stopped right where it was? I'll put this back in here. I want it to look the same all the way around the cake. Okay. I'm gonna wash my hands for one, and I'm gonna put this in the microwave for a few more seconds. Okay, I think that looks more like it, I hope. So I'm just gonna take the entire container and do it this way. All right, and then while it is still wet, before it starts to harden, we are going to pop some eyeballs on here. Uh-oh, that one went upside down. I have to eat that one. There we go. Oopsie. So we got some big ones, and we got some little ones. I make sure I get them on the right side. I don't know how many we need. I'm one of those people that never knows when to stop. I always say too much is never enough. But I don't know. Maybe another big one on the side here. Maybe some towards the center too. And you can even do some where they're like overlapping just a little bit like that. I don't know. Do you guys think I put too many on there? This still look like a monster cake. Okay. So now that we have it, so see how we have all this icing? Good thing we put this parchment under here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these out all the way around. And then make sure my cake is centered on the plate. All right. Just kind of brush away any of the crumbs that might be there. And then I've got some sprinkles here. So again, you can use whatever color you want. And I'm just kind of putting these around the plate instead of putting them on the cake, just for decoration. There we go. And you know what? I might need some little ones to fill in the gaps there. I think might make it look a little bit better. Let's see what else we got. I've got these. I've got those. Oh, these might work. So here's some purple and black. I like that. Let's see if we can get a little bit smaller. See how it's got little spaces you can see the plate in and how they're kind of moving around. Just got to be careful I don't get them on the cake because I don't really want them there, but they're getting there anyway. So maybe that's what's supposed to happen. All right, and then I want to use the purple and the green ones. I almost opened that upside down. And I know if you got kids, they're going to be wanting to eat all these little candies all the way around the cake. But look how cute that is. Really easy, right? Store-bought cake. Buy it. Stick it in the freezer. Takes no time to ice it and throw some little eyeballs on there. It's super cute. This would also be really, really cute for like a kid's birthday party. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it's really, really cute. So give it a try. Let me know what you think in the comments. I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.